Let's take a look at the Mavic Air's quick shots, which fly up and get automatic shots for you that look super cool. This is the bag you get if you get the Fly More package, along with a couple extra batteries. And the bag is big enough to carry this and the controller and the power pack and the battery. So this is about the smallest you'd actually be traveling with. Folds down so small. The little thing doesn't stay in very well, and you still haven't changed how it connects to your smartphone, and I still hate this. I still hate it. Oh man, now it's got sand in there. So hand launches do work, I guess. That worked pretty well. Quick shots, which automatically get a really cool shot for you that would take quite a bit of skill otherwise. And it lets you put the controller down. Quick shot. And then I think the Asteroid is the coolest one. And I think I just tap a subject. You have to do something cool like wave at it. So now it's flying up in the air and it's gonna get that pulling away shot, and now it's going to pan around and create a panorama, and then it'll do some processing internally that'll make it into a cool video. And when it's done, it comes back home. If something goes wrong, I can always interrupt it or just take control. Okay, let's try a different quick shot. Let's try the droney. It just flies back to give you a wide shot. Okay, let's try the circle. Hey, Sandra. Hey, Sandra. Being a good girl. Oh, shit.
Oh, no. Fuck.
I tried to grab the sticks and it didn't respond to it. I guess I had to actually like press the X on the screen. So the Mavic Air has forward collision avoidance and rear collision avoidance, but it does not avoid collisions going sideways. Let's see if it still works. It's pretty durable though. Let's try the Helix, which I think does a big spiral. Oh, it gets higher and higher. Okay, I'm gonna be ready to hit the X if it goes crazy again. Okay, that worked pretty well. What else we got? This is the rocket. I'll just touch myself. Pretty cool. It counts down the progress. You see like 90%, 91%. So it shows you how far through the shot it is.
Yeah.
Okay, now the boomerang. It's cold. Okay, that's all the quick shots. I guess I'll try the ActiveTrack. Sandy. I got a stick. Whoa. Oh, you got a stick? You broke it. You broke your stick. Oh no. Weird, the camera was suddenly pointing down. It must have lost track of us. And that's why you need a drone, because there's like no good sunset here, but there's the gorgeous sunset from 400 feet.